You were always unselfish and sacrificed everything you risked to change life. Even when there was darkness, you broke the shackles and brought light. You are my hero. You are my hero. You are my hero. Always my hero. It's the way that you smiled with serenity, and how you forgave all your enemies. I will always hold your love and all your teachings in my heart. You called everyone to believe in Allah. Oh Muhammad, you are my hero. You are my hero. You are my hero. Always my hero. You are my hero. You are my hero. You are my hero and I'll keep you safe in my heart. You are my hero till the end and from the very start. You are my hero and you'll always be the best part of every single day. I will follow you. You are my hero and I'll keep you safe in my heart. You are my hero till the end and from the very start. You are my hero and you'll always be the best part of every single day. I will follow you.